Okay, so this is not required. Let me open Excel. Let me open the data in Excel. We have global orders data, which I opened in the last class. I'll open the same. So here we have the data. So basically today we will be learning something different. Not only this, let's start learning functions. For example, if you want to change the data, suppose if you want to change the data, then you will learn some functions based on your requirement. First, we will go with text functions. Text functions are used to do any corrections on text data. Suppose the text is in uppercase, you want it in lowercase. Suppose the text is in lowercase, you want in uppercase. So that way you have some functions. Those we will be doing it now. Now let's go with taking some customer names from here. I don't want any repetition. How do I apply the filter? We'll do Control Shift L. So filter will be applied. I'm just making sure that I'll not have repetitions. So I'll go here. I'll take some data from here. Now I'll go to New Excel. Control N is the shortcut for New Excel. So this is my data. Now these data is names of the people. Now I'll zoom in so that you guys can see the text properly. Now I'm just bolding it, Control B. We have the data here. Now in this data, if you want the data to be in uppercase, so upper is the function. Whenever you're writing a formula, you have to give is equals to first, then write the function. You have an upper function. What will it do? Converts the text string to all uppercase letters. So if I select upper, then select the text, close the bracket, enter. That's all. It will change all the text to uppercase. So to do this, you just have to do, after doing for one cell, you can go here. See, cursor will change. Double click on the cursor. This will change. See, everywhere it is lowercase, uppercase, and here everything is uppercase. This is upper function. Next, you have lower function is equals to, we write lower, see, lower function, and then here give this text as reference, close bracket, enter. Now you see what is lower function doing? It is changing all the text to lowercase. Uppercase, lowercase is not like something confusing. It's just uppercase data, lowercase data, capital letters, small letters. This is about uppercase and lowercase. Next, you have is proper case. Okay, so you have is equals to, I can write proper and then select the text and then click enter. Now you see proper is every word starting, it will take capital letter, remaining it will take small letter. That is proper case. Again, first letter capital, then small letter. This is proper case. So these are the function names. I'm writing the function names, then writing a text. Now you change the cursor, double click. You will see the change here. Hope I'm clear. Do you understand now how to do this? Can I get a response?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. So let's go with The next option we have, the next function. So these all are for text data. So the next function we have is find and search. Okay. So what happens in find? If you want to find a text, for example, find is a function is equals to, if I do find, I want to find, what do I want to find? A. Okay. You see that alphabet A again? Whenever you give a text, it should be in inverted comma. I want to find A, comma. Where do you want to find? I want to find in this text. Enter. So it is telling that it is in 7th position. Now if I double click, see, in this, do you have A here?
No.
So that's why you have value. That means there is no output there. Understood? If you don't want something like empty like this, you want, if there is a value, you will get the number. If there is no value, do you want 0? If there is value, you will get number. If there is no value, do you want 0 there? Instead of giving this value error?
Yes.
Then you can go with something called if. If find of logical statement. See, find of, what is that I'm finding? When I'm finding A, lowercase a, comma, in this row, find of A, comma. If I find a value, see, if may, you will have logical test, value if true, value if false. Clear? So if it is satisfied, what happens? If not satisfied. Now, what is my logical test? I am finding A in this box, correct?
Yes.
So if I find it, what it should give?
Value.
Give a value
Give the
number.
value of this find output. I can write the same. Got it? Comma. Value is false. Give 0. Understood the formula?
Yes.
Okay. They found some typo issue. The typo issue is, for if statement, we didn't close the bracket. And before closing, you should write 0. Okay? See now? Value is not found, it's not taking 0. So if is not working, fine. Let's go with if find of 0. Then we have, if value is true, you get the value. False, you get this. Let me change the formula. Can you found out any other formula for this? Can you guys find any value formula for this? Fine. So basically, if value is not found, if you want a 0, no, you can also go with if error. Okay? Is equals to, because we are getting error, right? Value error.
Yes.
That's an error, right? So if value of find, what is the find I want?
A.
I want to find lowercase a, comma, in this text. If I'm finding a value, okay,
Yes.
comma, see value if error. If value is error, what do we want?
0.
0. Now close it. Enter. Now let's see. Okay?
Okay.
Understood how do you decide things?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Guys, if you're not able to do anything, trust me, if you're not able to do anything, very simple. Learn how to ask Google. In office, asking Google is more important. Okay? See, what do you want to return? What do you have to ask? Return 0 if value not found in Excel. right?
Yes.
This is how you'll ask. What is it asking to use?
Error function. Error function.
Very simple. Anything you want to ask Google, learn how to Google. You know what? Asking Google is also that's also a task. I will tell you that's also like how do I say this? Not everyone can do it actually. Okay, fine. Now do you understand how to use if error?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So similarly, like find, we have search. Search is another function which we have. Okay. Now I will do the same. I'll do search, but how it is working, you see. I will give search. I'm doing first one. Okay. What do I want to search? Lowercase a. There is one difference between find and search. Okay. Now what text you want to find search in? You want to find it here?
Yes.
Comma. From first position you want to search. Okay. Understood? Is the output same for both?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Now in this, I will change it to uppercase A. In find, I change it to uppercase A. Here also, I am changing it to uppercase A. You understand? Search word I changed. So, which is accepting uppercase A? Is there anyone who
Search.
doesn't know Telugu in this class here? Samuel,
Ma'am?
Telugu आता है आपको?
Yes, ma'am. Telugu only.
Either
Ma'am, Telugu only.
Joe?
Telugu only.
Everyone is Telugu. Is there anyone who is not good at Telugu?
मैम अंकित
अंकित तेलुगु नहीं आता आपको?
मैम
पूरा हिंदी वाला हो?
यस मैम
ठीक है, चलेगा. Fine. So basically, do you know something called case sensitive? Do you guys know something about case sensitive? So if you write uppercase A or lowercase a, if it is reading both as A, then it is case insensitive. Okay?
Okay.
If you're writing capital A, if it is considering as capital A and small a is not considered as capital A, then it is case sensitive. Here, same thing happened. Either you give capital A or small a, it is taking any A, it is okay with, right? So search is case insensitive, but find is very particular. See, if I write lowercase a, it is giving 7. That means it is searching only for lowercase a. Here,
No.
if you see here in Anthony Jacobs, do we have capital A?
Yes.
1 second, my screen is blanked out. Yeah. So in Anthony Jacobs, 13th line, do we have capital A?
Yes.
In what position?
First position. First.
But it is giving what?
Pen.
Why? Because I gave lowercase a, it is searching for lowercase a only, which is here. It is not taking uppercase a. Understood now what is case sensitive?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Uppercase a, if you are giving, it will take only uppercase a. If you give lowercase a, it will take only lowercase a. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So find is sensitive or search is case sensitive here? Which is case sensitive?
इंड मैम
Fine.
Correct. Find is case sensitive, search is case insensitive.
Insensitive.
Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go with the next function?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You understood uppercase, lowercase?
Yes, ma'am.
Next function we have is left. So left side, how many characters you want? Now you see is equals to, left is my function. Left in this text, comma, 3 characters I want. What are the first 3 characters in this name?
RIC.
RIC, correct?
Yes.
It will give RIC. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
See, everywhere it is giving 3 characters.
Yes.
Now next function right. But based on left, what do you think right will do? From right side, number of characters. So Rick Hansen, comma, 3. What are the 3 characters from right side? From right side, S-E-N. It will give S-E-N. Similarly, last 3 characters in all the text. Understood? Left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we have mid function. Is equals to, if I write mid, in the middle of the text. So first give, this is the text. In this, from second position. What is in second position? In this
Hansen.
Rick Hansen, what is in second position?
Hansen.
A.
HA.
I'm not asking text. Sorry, I'm not asking the words. I'm asking character. So character is each word. What is
Text.
in second position? I. R is in first. R-I-C-K.
Okay.
R is first position. I is second. C is third. K is fourth. Okay.
Yeah.
Middle.
So what is in second position?
I.
I. From second position, 3 characters. From I, what are the 3 characters?
K.
C.
We'll give I-C-K.
Okay.
From second position, 3 characters. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I change the formula from fourth position, 3 characters, what will be the output?
KHK.
K. KH.
What is in fourth position?
K.
KH.
K. From K, what are the 3 things we have?
HA.
Not KHA. Space is also one character. K space H. Okay?
Okay.
We'll give K space H. Understood?
Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
This is mid function. Should I stop here? Will you guys try it for 10 minutes? I'll leave.
Yes, ma'am.
If you
Yes,
guys are
ma'am.
not able to do it, it's difficult later. That's why do it first. Then we will go to next functions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay? Start doing. I will just look at all of them, how you're doing. I'm not taking any questions right now. I want you guys to try yourself. Okay?
Ma'am.
Then finally, wherever you are stuck, if you tell me, I'll do it again and show you.
Sure.
Okay. Just start trying.
Can you repeat? Find.
Leave, find, and do remaining. Finish remaining. Upper, lower, proper, remaining all finish it.
Yes, madam. Upper, lower, proper.
Once all are completed, then for everyone, others also, if anything else they want, everything I'll repeat at once. Okay?
Okay. I'll remain search left, right. I'll complete.
Okay. When you're writing it, look at the formula, what it is asking. Just write whatever it is asking. Okay?
Okay.
But whenever you're giving input text, you should put in inverted comma.
Okay, ma'am.
If you're writing A, you should put in inverted comma.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am. You're able to get everything.
Sorry?
You're able to get everything, ma'am. All clear.
All clear? You're able to do everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So how about remaining guys? Are you still doing? Guys, are you doing or you just on the call and slept? I don't see someone phone responding.
I'm unable to do find and search.
Okay, find and search you're not able to do. Next, remaining people,
Yeah, ma'am. Find.
find and search.
Ma'am, find and search.
Okay.
Can you tell again?
Okay, all of you are stuck with find and search?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, let's do different things. Any one of you. So maybe if you do it now, then you will understand, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Sridhar, share your screen. So today Sridhar is sharing. The other day I'll ask someone else to share, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
will be confused, I'll stop sharing. Yes, Sridhar, share yours.
Able to see my screen?
Yes. See here, remove the formula completely. What is it asking? You're not understanding. You're not checking it. Remove the formula completely is equals to. You didn't put equals to. You give space. Okay, fine. Select find formula function. Sorry. After selecting, what is it asking? Don't select
Yes.
just like that. I didn't ask you to select that, dear.
We need to put inverted
What is it
commas and
asking
give a
first? It is first asking find text. That means what do you want to find? First write cap A. Inverted commas, you should write A first.
Okay.
Want to find A, write it. A, comma. Now in what text you within text? That means in what text do you want to find A? Correct. Click. In that you want to find comma. From which position you want to start searching? From first, right? First position, right?
Yes.
Give one. Which is first position? C is in first position, right?
Yes.
Now click on enter. Close bracket and click on enter. Sorry. Close bracket in the formula, then enter. See it is giving?
Yeah, got it.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
So there on 14th line, why did you get error?
There's no small.
Correct. Lowercase a is not there.
Yeah.
Now you do same for search. Next line. All of you understood now? Whoever is stuck?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now do search.
What's our aim? Ma'am?
Lowercase a. Give lowercase a. Huh? Within what text you want to find? Correct. Comma. From first position we will start searching.
Yes.
Give one. Enter. See, now it didn't give error because capital A also, small a also, it will take anything, right? Search will take anything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it didn't give errors. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go to the next one?
Just left.
Sorry. Just waiting if some remaining all also finished, or are you guys still doing?
Finished, ma'am.
Finished. Left, right. Sridhar, you didn't complete left, right. You're still waiting for find and search. You didn't finish left, right.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it. I'll do it. I know that.
Do it fast. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Finish it.
Okay, ma'am.
It's so fast. Is equals to left. Select the text. Which text you want to find? Correct. Comma. How many characters you want to display?
Hmm.
Enter. That's all. The formula, if you change it to 3, it will display 3 characters.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
Is it clear, guys, for all of you? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Clear.
Clear. Very good. Now, how to separate two texts? That we will learn. Okay?
Shall I
Okay.
stop?
Then stop sharing. I think I started sharing already.
Oh, sorry. Okay, done.
See? Can you guys see my screen? Can you please confirm?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. We're able to see.
You're able to see, right?
Yes.
Thanks. So let's do this now. So next what we will do is, here you have two names, right? Do you have first name, last name, two names here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We will separate now. Okay. How do you separate? Any idea? Very simple. Okay. Now that name is containing all of them. Let's go with first name, last name. Let's change it to first name, last name. Okay. Here is equals to, you have a function called text split. You see here?
text.
One second. Text. It's not working. Anyone's Excel it's working? Just check. Maybe this latest version that's not there.
Text.
Anyone's system, is it working?
No, ma'am.
Not working?
No, ma'am, not working.
No, ma'am.
Very nice. There's a very strong no. Uh, okay, then we'll do some other function then. Let's try any other function. Actually, that should work. I see that few functions are like not exactly working in all the Excels, right? Okay. Then what we will do is go to this column. You see this column?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
go to data. See text to columns. You will have something here, text to columns.
Yes.
When I click on text to columns, it is asking you by delimiter.
Yeah.
Now by delimiter, what is the delimiter? Delimiter means any special character you have. Okay.
Okay.
Do we have any delimiter in this data here? Space.
Space.
Okay. Now click on by delimiter we want. Click on next. You have to select here. Our thing is space, right?
Yeah.
After clicking on space, do you see here split into two different columns?
Yes.
Done. Now click on next. Then click on finish. Then click on OK. So it is not changing because it already had a data here, right? Do you remember?
Yes, yes,
Now
yes.
see, lower upper is overlapped. So what I'll do, I'll copy this. I'll go to next sheet and paste. Then it will work fine. Okay?
Okay.
That because the side column already had some data, right?
Yes.
So that's why it couldn't adjust. Now see, I'll go next. This you know, right? Next and finish.
Yes.
Now you see. Came properly?
Yes.
You understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have this as first name
Yes.
and this is
Yes.
last name. Okay.
Okay.
Now if you want to combine both of them, very simple. Is equals to, suppose in your data you got separate columns. Select this, comma. In inverted comma, do you want space between two text or you want any other character between? Shall we give space for now?
Yes.
Comma, scene. Second one I'm selecting. Enter. Array. 1 second. So this text, comma, in inverted commas, I want space, comma, this one.
Last one. Enter.
Okay? Array.
Right. Not required.
This last one, it's not taking, right? Not taking as reference.
Yeah.
Let me give the same again. See? Not taking. Fine. Instead of comma, give ampersand. You know this ampersand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And the symbol. Okay. Now here, enter. See, you got?
Yes.
Can you show it once again?
This is one way of combine. I'll show you. 1 second. So this is, shall we write as, what shall we give this column name as?
In.
Name?
Yes.
Okay, I'll show it once again. Look. I'm doing it again. Sorry for the interruption. Now see, is equals to, I'm selecting the first text and this is ampersand. Ampersand is called text concatenation operator. You will get this again when you're learning in Power BI. Okay, please don't forget it. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now, after this, what do I want? I can also go with name directly, like this. So when I go with name directly, see if there is any space in between.
No. No.
No,
If you
no.
want some space, then again you have to go inverted comma space
Space.
and then give
Inverted.
ampersand. So you're combining A2 cell,
B2.
A2 cell you're combining. After A2 cell you want space. After that you want B2 cell.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now enter. Now you see you have some space. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is one way of combining. Another way is using concat. You can combine two texts. See, I'll take first name, comma, second name. This way also you can combine. But when you're using concat, you cannot give any special character like space, hyphen, nothing you can give. Here you see I gave space. I can also give hyphen. You see the formula change?
Yes.
I can also give hyphen. See, it will change to hyphen.
Okay.
In between hyphen, before hyphen, after hyphen, if you want space also you can give. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So the concat function, can you give space in between for concat? No. Concat is just combining two texts. You
Combine.
cannot give
Space.
spaces. Next function you see we have is concatenate. You see something called concatenate here?
Yes.
Click on it. So this is my first text, comma. This is my second text. Okay.
Okay.
Inverted comma, enter. Now, this also will combine two texts. This is called concatenate. Okay. This is for combining two texts. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In this function also, if you want to give add something, say inverted comma, space, inverted comma, comma. Now you see A1 cell, inverted comma, B2 cell I'm combining. Now I'm not using concatenation operator. In the formula itself, I'm writing in inverted comma, one space. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is for combining text in multiple different ways. Any
Okay.
doubts in this?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Simple and clear, all three of them?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can we go with checking if there is exact match between two columns or no? So that means this text and this text is same or no, we are checking.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let's do it. So for this, what I'll do is, I will take few texts from here. So basically, I will change some formula. So everything, if it is same, you will not understand, right?
Yeah.
So few things I'm changing. Okay? For few things, I'm giving in between something. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll copy this. So if I don't want it as a text, now you see, it is going double because I'm trying to copy the formula, right?
Yeah.
If I'm copying the formula, will it work fine? Before copying the formula, what we should do?
We need to remove the.
We should paste it as values, right?
Yes.
You remember I told you guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I will select this, Control C. What is the shortcut I told you to paste as values?
Alt ESV.
Correct. Alt ESV. Enter. Now these are values. See, there is no formula if you're clicking on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Correct? Now I'll copy this. Control C, Control V. This is my text 1. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is equals to first text, ampersand, inverted comma, 1 space, inverted comma, again ampersand and second text. Now this is my text 2. I will compare this text 1 and text 2 now. That's why I'm taking.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do we have formula here? I have to remove the formula. Control C, Alt ESV. Enter. Now the formulas are removed for both of them.
Yes.
Now I can compare. So this is compare 1. First way of comparing is equals to, you have to give this text is equals to this text. Enter. See, wherever it is same, it gave true. Why it gave false here?
There is a difference.
Here
Equal.
you have equals to, here you don't have equals to. So it's not exact match.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you have hyphen, here you don't have. That's why it's false. Here you have 7 in between, here you don't have. That's why it's false, right? So how did we write the formula? We just wrote, I'm repeating it. We just gave this cell, start is equals to this cell is equals to this cell. So those both are equal or no, we are asking. Clear? Any questions? No question? Now, again, we have something called compare to. Second way of comparing. Please ignore the spellings because I'm concentrating on what I'm talking. Okay. Now, is equals to, we have a function called exact. Here, if you select exact, text to 1, comma, text to 2. Is these both exact match or no? It will tell you. See?
Yeah.
Understood? Second way of doing with using exact functions. First one is without any function. Second one is with function.
Okay.
Any doubts?
Clear, ma'am.
Now, instead of true or false, do you want yes or no? Then you can write is equals to if. That means if this text is equals to this text. Understood the formula? If this text is equals to this text, okay, bracket close, comma, then I should guess the value called S, comma, if not, I should get no. Okay, 1 second, I should not close the bracket, sorry. Then I should get no. Clear? See, wherever there is no matching, it got no.
Yes.
Wherever there is matching, you got yes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Will you guys try all this? I'll wait for 2 minutes. Will you guys try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is the actual name column which we took. And those are the functions. Wherever you are stuck, just like before, just tell me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you guys understanding the class when you're going?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
simple and easy? I never saw Jyoti talking. Are you understanding, Jyoti?
Yes, yes, I'm able to understand.
Okay. Once completed, please let me know, okay? Okay, should we stop with this for today?
Okay, ma'am.
Rest of them we'll do tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
ఒకసారి ఫార్ములాస్ కూడా ఏమన్నా పీడిఎఫ్ లాగా ఇస్తారా మ్యామ్ ఒకవేళ ఇంట్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి?
ఇంట్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి ఫార్ములాస్ లాగా కాదు. యాక్చువల్ గా ఎక్సెల్ అనే దానికి ఇట్స్ వెరీ వాస్ట్. వన్ డాక్యుమెంట్ కెనాట్ బి ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఫర్ ఎక్సెల్, అది ప్రాబ్లం.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పినవి ఒక చిన్న కంటెంట్ లాగా ఇస్తే సో దట్ టెక్స్ట్ రూపంలో వాట్
అయితే ఒక పని చేద్దాం. నేను ఏవైతే మీకు టైప్ చేస్తున్నానో, నేను జనరల్ గా ఇక్కడ నా స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తోందా?
అవును.
నేను డాక్స్ రాసినప్పుడు నోట్స్ ఇలా చేస్తాను అనమాట. రాసిన ఫార్ములా ఇలా కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేయడం.
ఓకే,
ఇలా చేయనా?
సరే మ్యామ్, ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాం క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత. ఏమన్నా
అదే ఇలా టెక్స్ట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టి ఆ ఫంక్షన్ ఏంటి, మనకు రాసిన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి,
ఆ పని చేయాలి.
అదొకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైల్ నేను చేస్తాను, దీనికి డాక్యుమెంట్ రేపు చూపిస్తాను. యు
Okay.
గైస్ ఆర్ ఓకే విత్ ఇట్, దెన్ ఫైన్. లేకపోతే ఇంకేదైనా ట్రై చేద్దాం నోట్స్. ఓకే,
సరే, ఎందుకంటే మీరు చెప్పేటప్పుడు అర్థమైపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ మూమెంట్
అర్థమైంది, గుర్తుండదు తర్వాత. అగ్రీ విత్ ఇట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్. ఎనీవన్ ఇస్ స్టక్ సమ్వేర్, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ. ఇఫ్ నాట్, యూ కెన్ ఫీల్ ఫ్రీ టు లీవ్.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And guys, link is going to change from tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then, I'll wind up with this.
Okay.
Bye guys.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.